Greetings everyone. Just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on this kit, the Jaymz RB kit. They don't appear to be available on Amazon anymore, so I'm not sure anybody will ever be able to do one again. I'm sure Rickenbacker got irritated with them and had them pulled. Anyway, if you remember, I had to go back and watch the other videos. I originally had a switch here. I've had to remove that since I converted it over to the classic Rico sound style outputs. The bass is now currently wired like a real Rickenbacker as far as the wiring goes. I was also forced to replace the Rickenbacker style bridge on it. And the reason for that is because I never could get the action low enough, especially on the high frets, to actually be playable where the intonation was set right. Because the Rickenbacker style bridge requires the body to be routed, I had to go back and fill that with some poplar that I bought at a local hardware store. I was able to fill that gap and then fill in around it with wood filler. Got a good solid replacement in there, and went back to the bridge that came with the kit, which is this Music Man style thing. With that there, I was able to get the action down low as it should be. This bass is actually playable now. The intonation is good. So I'm very pleased with the outcome on that. However, because of having to fill the body, there are some spots where you can see where I have filled in. This is actually the piece of poplar that I filled in the hole with. So, but overall, from a distance, it actually still looks pretty good. For the switch where I took it out, the reason I had to take the switch out, which I had set up for the modern vintage that had the capacitor on the bridge volume to bleed out a lot of the lows from the bridge pickup, that was right in the way of where the 1/4 inch plug would come in from the stereo jack. So when I would plug a TRS cable into that, it would hit the switch. So I had to remove the switch and just did away with the vintage wiring idea entirely. So now this is wired like the modern Rickenbacker 4003 basses prior to the addition of the modern vintage switch that they put in with the push-pull. I thought about putting the push-pull in, but then I decided I really didn't need it, especially with this wiring setup and with these pickups. So I have left it as is, and I got a little hole plug to fill in on the pick guard there. So anyway, like I said, just wanted to put this little quick video up to show that the changes that I'd made to this bass. Thanks for watching.